Hi all, Rene here. I am here today to show you the cut above layout kit for the Craft with Heart June scrapbook service. And if you haven't seen these kits before, they make two-page layouts. You get all your instructions. You also get all of your photo placeholders. You get pre-cut, and in this case, pre-stamped, inked, printed, whatever you want to call it, pieces. Those are already cut for you. You get a sticker sheet that is marked layout 1 and layout 2. Then you also get all of your die cuts for both of your layouts. And you get your background sheets, which in this case have some pre-printed, oh that's really pretty, some pre-printed items on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I haven't done any prep work with this kit whatsoever. I'm just going to go ahead and get started and put them together, and then I'll be back at the end to show you close-ups and give you thoughts about the kit itself. So I'll put some music on. I hope you enjoy. really cute, and they were fast. My total time recording so far is under 40 minutes, and that included introducing everything and showing it to you and then doing everything. I didn't do anything ahead of time, so I think this one turned out really cute, and I have some pictures in mind for it, so can't wait to see how those look. But I really like the way this came together, and I really like this part. They could have just printed it on there, but it does give it a little bit of a dimension. You can't see the dimension obviously in the video, but it does give you some dimension here. And I think the ladybug bugs would be really cute with some shimmer trim or some shimmer brush on them. So I may do that, or maybe even put some liquid glass on them to make them shiny. So we'll see. And then the second layout, I love this layout as well. I really like how they had this all printed in the background and you didn't have to piece together anything, because that can sometimes get quite involved to try to get those pieces together. And I also love all of the faux stitching on everything. I think that gives it a really nice touch. And this is something they did on both of these layouts, is the stickers have the same background as the paper, so it blends in and you're not stuck having to do little tiny skinny letters that are really hard to get straight. So I really like that. When I don't know photos I'm going to use with this one, but maybe when I do my photos, I might matte these photos and maybe matte these photos with some sapphire paper, because that's what that is, the darker paper, to kind of set them off. But I think that looks wonderful. I really like both of these layouts. And again, you know, less than 40 minutes start to finish to have 4 layouts ready to go. So I hope you like this video today. If you have any questions about the Craft with Heart subscription kit, subscription service, there's several different ways you can do it. I'll have a link down below to my store and you can go check it out. And if you have any questions, just leave those for me and I'll be happy to get back with you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.